Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today's tutorial is based on how to open an online banking account of Chase Bank. In this following video, I will be showing you step-by-step tutorial. All you have to do is make sure to watch the video till the end and follow the instruction correctly. So without any further delay, let us get started. So first of all, you'll have to open up your web browser. You can use any web browser that is convenient for you. As for this video, I'm using Google. As you open up your web browser, on the search box, type in the link, that is www.chase.com. You can also find the link on my description box below. Next page, you will be directed into official site, and over here you can see there are sign in option as well. Likewise, you don't have an account, so you'll not be able to sign in. So in order to create an account, what you have to do is scroll down, and then you can see under it there, choose what's right for you. So over here you'll have to select the account type. You can see there are a list of options, so then you can tap on it and there are multiple options. Once you're done selecting your account type, on the other page there are information or info about the account type, so you can go through it. What you have to do is slightly scroll down, and then you can see there are two different type of savings, so you'll have to select on any one of the following options that you like. On the other page, once again you will be directed into info, and over here it states that this following information are needed in order to create an account. So on the second step, there is a confirmation, and here it says that if you are a customer of Chase Bank or not. In case if you are a customer, so then tap on yes, and in case you're not, so then simply tap on no. And once you're done, tap on next, which is in the bottom right corner. On the other side, you will be directed into enrollment page. So over here you'll have to provide your information. So first of all, they've asked for your personal detail, so that includes your first name, middle name, last name and suffix. After that, you'll have to provide your identification. So here it states that if you are already a US citizen or not. In case if you are, then tap on yes, and in case you're not, then you'll have another option. So once you do that, next you'll have to provide your date of birth, and after that you'll have to enter your social security number. And once you're done entering your social security number and date of birth, next you'll have to provide your type of ID. So you can see there is an option on selecting, so just tap on the arrow icon which is right in the corner. And once you're done, next you'll have to select your state or territory that you have issued your identification. So you can tap on the arrow icon in the corner, and once you do that, there are a list of options, so select it accordingly. And next you'll have to provide your home address, and once you're done entering it, and next you'll have to provide your contact info. And once you're done entering all information, scroll down and then make sure to go through the terms and condition and then mark on this following box. And after you're done, tap on next in the bottom right corner. As you tap on next, and if the provided information is correct, on the other page you get to create login credential. Once you're done creating your login credential, on the other page you will automatically sign up into your online banking account of Chase Bank. So that is how you can create an online banking account of Chase Bank. That is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.